Hello, my dear friends. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great and taking care of yourselves. Friends, when we look around, can you tell me what do we see? Yes, we see people, different plants, trees, buildings, and what else do we see? Very good. We see different animals. Friends, we see different animals around us. Can you tell me, do they all look same? क्या वो सारे एक जैसे दिखते हैं? Very good. Some animals are big and some animals are small. Friends, can you tell me what do we need to live and survive? हमें जीने के लिए किन चीज़ों की ज़रूरत होती है? Very good. We need food and water to live. Do you know, friends? Just like us, animals also need food and water to survive. Friends, can you tell me, where do we live? Yes, we live in our homes. We all need a home to live. Just like us, animals also need a place to live. But where do they live? Do you know, friends? Some animals like cow, sheep, hen, horse, etc., they live at the farm. Can you tell me, what do we get from these animals? Very good. We get eggs, meat, wool, milk, etc. from these animals. Do all animals live at farm? Very good. Some animals like dog, cat, parrot, rabbit, etc. live with us in our homes as our pets. We play with them and we take care of them. Friends, can you tell me, animals that live in farms or in our homes, what do we call them? Let me tell you. They are known as domestic animals. Domestic animals. Domestic animals depend on us for their shelter, food, water, and care. Friends, do all animals live in farm or in our homes? Let me tell you. Some animals like lion, tiger, bear, monkey, giraffe, fox, etc. they all live in forest. Can you tell me, what do we call them? They are known as wild animals. Wild animals. Wild animals live in forest and are responsible for their own food and water. Do you know, friends, some animals like cat, rabbit, pig, monkey, etc. are both domestic and wild animals. Now, friends, it is time for one activity. Now, friends, let us read this sentence together. The horse is brown. Friends, here we are talking about a horse. Horse is a name of an animal, and we know the words that tell us the name of a person, animal, place, or thing are called naming words. So, horse is a very good naming word. Do you know, friends? Horse is a very loving and friendly animal. It eats grains, hay, and fruits. Now, friends, can you tell me, is horse a wild animal or a domestic animal? Very good. Horse lives in farm, so it is a domestic animal. Now friends, horse कैसा है? Very good. Horse brown है. This word here is telling us something about this horse. This word is describing horse, and we have learned that words that describe a naming word are called describing words. So brown is a very good describing word. Now friends, let us see one more sentence. The elephant is huge. Here we are talking about an elephant. Friends, we know elephant is a name of an animal. So it is a very good naming word. Do you know friends, elephants have a special body part which is known as trunk. They drink and eat with the help of the trunk. Now friends, can you tell me, is elephant a wild animal or a domestic animal? Very good. Elephant lives in forest, so it is a wild animal. Now friends, elephant कैसा है? Very good. Elephant huge है, मतलब big है. This word here is describing this elephant. So huge is a very good describing word. Now friends, let's read this sentence. I have a black dog. Here we are talking about a dog, and we know dog is a name of an animal. So it is a naming word. Do you know friends? Dogs are considered as the best friends of humans. Now, can you tell me, is dog a wild animal or a domestic animal? Very good. Dog is a domestic animal. Now friends, ये dog कैसा है? Very good. Dog black है. This word here is describing this dog. So it is a very good describing word. Now friends, let's read another sentence. The giraffe is tall. Here we are talking about a giraffe, and we know giraffe is a name of an animal. So it is a very good naming word. Now friends, do you know giraffe likes to eat leaves and it has a long neck. Now friends, can you tell me, is giraffe a wild animal or a domestic animal? Very good. Giraffe is a wild animal. Now friends, giraffe कैसा है? Very good. Giraffe tall है. Here, this word is describing this giraffe. So this word is a very good describing word. Now friends, what you have to do? You have to write the names of any 5 domestic and 5 wild animals in your EVS notebook. Bye friends.